In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event listing platform with Softr and Airtable. This journey is as exciting as it is manageable, and by the end, you'll have your very own platform ready to share with the world. Let's dive in. To start, you need to plan your event platform carefully. The focus here is to decide on your niche because understanding your target audience is crucial. There are several potential niches to choose from, such as local city events, startup meetups, music festivals, workshops, college events, business conferences, or even religious and community gatherings. Choosing the right niche will guide your design and content decisions, so take your time and think about what you're passionate about and what your audience is interested in. Once you've settled on a niche, your next step is to create an Airtable base. Airtable is a particularly user-friendly tool that will help you manage all your event data seamlessly. Begin by clicking on Create Base and then opt for Start from Scratch. You should give it a memorable and descriptive name like Event Listings Platform to keep everything organized and easily accessible in your database. Next, within your newly created Airtable base, go ahead and set up your tables. This is the backbone of your data structure, and it's where you'll store everything related to your events. Although the specific tables you create will depend on your niche, some common tables might include events, organizers, categories, and locations. Taking the time to thoughtfully organize your tables from the outset will save you time and frustration later. Before you proceed to connect Airtable to Softr, it's wise to populate your tables with some sample data. Having about 10 to 20 example events, complete with images, categories, and organizers, provides a solid foundation for designing the front end of your platform. This step is crucial. It not only speeds up the design process, but also gives you a better idea of how your real data will look and behave once everything is up and running. Now it's time to create an app in Softr. Inside Softr, choose New Application, then select either a blank app, directory template, or event template. Using a template can save you a significant amount of time, offering a ready-to-go layout that you can customize to suit your needs. With your Softr app ready, it's now time to connect Airtable to Softr. Within the Softr interface, navigate to the Data Sources section. Choose Airtable and connect your account. Be sure to select the specific base you've been working on. This connection allows Softr to pull information from Airtable automatically, keeping your platform updated with the latest data effortlessly. Finally, focus on building the homepage of your event listing platform. Your homepage is the first impression visitors will have of your site, so make it clear, attractive, and easy to navigate. Include essential information such as featured events, a search bar for easy navigation, and categories that guide users to the types of events they're interested in attending. Remember, successful design is all about marrying functionality with aesthetics. By following these steps, you're well on your way to launching a successful event listing platform that's both functional and visually appealing. Make sure to experiment, test different setups, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Good luck and happy building.